Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So it's an early morning and I'm done taking care of the greenhouse, few plants in the greenhouse, and now I will help Christian. He is having a project here. He since the other day he started installing electric wire fence in some areas. So he started at this point here to protect the gravel and the sand, because the dogs sometimes they would like to remove the tarpaulin that we cover. And then also I think he got enough length of wire fence. So as you can see, this is the wire fence he brought from France, together with all the other materials needed to connect the wire fence to the post. So such as this black thing there, where he inserted the electric wire to make a corner, to turn on the corner. And person is there, and then this wire fence is from there. He installed it there until on this side and to connect until it connect to the goats park fence. He bought a Han, how do you call the meter you bought from online
Meters?
for the the one that will run the electric, the box by you bought? That's the
Electric fence, transformer.
electric fence transformer, and it can accommodate how many, Han? You told me yesterday? 5 kilometers of length of wire. Oh, nice. But it's expensive. It cost him 3,000. 3,000, Hana? 3,000 pesos from online shop. And we got it a few days ago. I can't remember. But so now this side of goat's fence here has already the wire fence he installed. You can see the white line on the bottom and then the top of the fence. That's the electric wire, and all the goats are free. But of course the electric transformer is not installed yet because the work continues here from the goats fence. Huh?
You get short.
Ah, that's the end, Manhan. Huh? So we need to add more post to continue the wire. And I think with the wire fence on the side, the goats will now follow the road from the gate of the goats park going to their first park in the afternoon, because I freed them and they ran. So back to work. And got more? So in fact, on this side, after the white electric wire fence on the goat's park, now Christian continued with using an ordinary wire galvanized wire that we can find from the hardware here in the Philippines. But he said the problem is it's not too good quality, so maybe not too soon, but soon it will be rusty. But for now, that's he used that. And then this one on the bottom is another electric wire that he brought from France. And then after that, so what I did a while ago is I continued on that side there. I continue to drill on the post and attach the, in fact this black thing here is the insulator, so I did that on some post over there. And as you can see here, it's 2 column of the galvanized wire, and use the same until on that area there. So I think the goats will be afraid not to go to the napier. Hi Han.
Hello.
And Mara just watch. I'm here. So we moved to the other side of the fence. Christian need to fix the fence for now. Christian is repairing the post on the other side of the goat's park, and I need to harvest gravel or small stones to put on the hole of the post.